If you want to set up an alarm clock on your Android phone, first of all, we have to locate our clock application. So here it is. Alright, after that, make sure to choose your alarm section right here at the bottom and press on this plus icon. Once again, this process may vary a bit on different devices, but the whole core of the process, right, is gonna be absolutely the same. So let's keep up with that. After that, we gotta set up a time. So let's set up an alarm on 13:50, right? Now you can choose a date. For example, want to set up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now we can name our alarm. Let's name it Alarm 1. Great. After that, we can set up an alarm sound, and actually you can turn off your alarm sound, of course, and turn off your vibration. If you want to change it, simply press on alarm sound. So you can choose your Bixby alarm. On Android, of course, you can choose for one of the ringtones. So here are all of your ringtones. For example, let's set up this one. All right. Or you can even link your Spotify and choose some songs from Spotify. You can also choose your vibration pattern. All right. Now you can choose whether you want to snooze it. So 5 minutes 3 times. Tap here and choose your interval and repeat. And after you're satisfied with everything, simply press save. All right. After that, your alarm was saved. Easy as that. If you want to delete it or deactivate it, simply tap on the switch near it and it will be deactivated. If you want to delete it, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, press edit, choose your alarm and choose delete option. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.